giving Cassie a financial reward to induce non-cooperation in a criminal case would be unethical and unlawful under U.S. law. A settlement agreement not to cooperate in a criminal case gives up the victim's witness's right voluntarily to provide the government and private parties with information about criminal or civil or criminal misconduct. But it also gives up the public's right to the proper prosecution and punishment of crimes. Therefore, Cassie's settlement cannot legally include any terms that result in a witness's refusal to testify or the withholding of factual information from the court. Let me repeat that again. It says, therefore, Cassie's settlement cannot legally include any terms. So in the settlement Cassie had, there could legally not have be any terms that include any terms that result in a witness's. So any of the witnesses that Cassie had in that lawsuit, according to the report and the law, the settlement cannot legally include terms that result in a witness's refusal to testify or the withholding of factual information from the court. Now, here's an example of that legal rule taken from a prominent legal journal. A contract made with the purpose and upon the consideration that a criminal prosecution shall be suppressed, stifled, or stayed will not be enforced. Many cases have reached the same conclusion as to non-enforceability of settlement agreements, where any part of the payment was in consideration of hindering or suppressing criminal proceedings. They said Cassie's lawsuit, which is still available to be used by criminal agencies in New York. That right there gets Diddy on the hook. Y'all smash the like button as y'all come on in this morning. Let's get those likes up. Share this video. Make sure y'all liking this video as y'all come on in. I'm dropping this info for y'all early this morning so you guys can understand what's going on. There's a lot of people running around here saying that Diddy paid the money so he can get out the water. Well, according to reports, Diddy is not out of the water. Criminal charges could still be filed against him legally, and legally the witnesses, illegally it seems like, in this case allegedly could still be used against P. Diddy in a criminal case. It said Cassie's lawsuit, which is still available to be used by criminal agencies in New York, Los Angeles, and Miami, gave the framework for potential criminal prosecution of Diddy. She alleges violations of federal blank trafficking laws, the R word, you all know what that is when you take it, when you allegedly take it, and numerous assaults in the names of witnesses who saw it happen. So these witnesses is trouble. Now, this is the thing. The witnesses is who the prosecution, if they want to prosecute Diddy, this is who they can go after. Because in the settlement, it says that it's illegal to have any type of wording that causes the witnesses to not speak the truth or not speak on this situation if called. And so the big boys can come for Diddy, man, still, and still press charges.